Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download PDF instead of opening in browser Chrome. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then, click the three-dot menu at top right, and then select Settings from this menu. After entering the settings page, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Inside this section, click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Content section. Here, select Additional Content Settings to reveal more options. Continue scrolling until you find PDF Documents, then click on it to open the PDF handling settings. Under the Default Behavior section, select the option labeled Download PDFs instead of opening them in Chrome. Once this setting is enabled, the change takes effect immediately. To test it, open any website that contains a PDF file and click on a PDF link. You can also open a PDF link in a new tab if you want to verify the behavior. Instead of displaying the PDF within the browser window, Chrome will automatically begin downloading the file to your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download PDF instead of opening in browser Chrome. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.